Welcome to this quick tutorial where I'll show you how to add notes in Salesforce. Whether you're managing accounts, contacts, leads, or opportunities, keeping detailed notes can be crucial for maintaining clear communication and staying organized. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to start by opening the relevant record in Salesforce. This could be an account, a contact, a lead, or an opportunity. It's important to ensure you're on the right record, so take a moment to double check before proceeding. This will save you time and help avoid any confusion later on. Once you're in the correct record, navigate to the Related tab. Depending on the layout of your Salesforce interface, you might also find the Notes Related list in the panel on the right side of your screen. This is where all your notes will be stored, so it's a key area to locate. Next, you'll need to click on the New button within the Notes Related list. This action prompts a clean workspace panel to slide up from the bottom right corner of your screen, providing you with a blank canvas to begin typing your notes. This workspace is designed to help you focus, free from distractions, so you can clearly articulate the information you need to record. In this panel, you'll start by entering a title for your note. Think of the title as a headline that gives a quick overview of what the note is about. A clear and descriptive title will help you and others quickly identify the note's content at a glance. After you've entered the title, you can proceed to type out the main body of your notes. Here, you should aim to capture all the relevant details and insights that will be beneficial to you or your team in the future. Once you're satisfied with the content of your note, the final step is to click the Done button. This action will save your note to the record, making it accessible for future reference. It's as simple as that. You've successfully added a note to your Salesforce record, keeping your information organized and readily available. Adding notes in Salesforce is a straightforward process, but it can significantly enhance your ability to manage and track information effectively. By following these steps, you'll be able to ensure that all pertinent details are documented and easily accessible when you need them. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to explore more of our guides for additional tips and tricks on using Salesforce to its fullest potential. Happy note-taking!